Okay, so we're gonna go down this little alley right straight ahead. So there's straight that way, and just give you a little context. This is the other end of Casada das Verdejes, which is there's a little temple up there that we did, but we're gonna go into this little alley straight ahead. And it's also next to the Teatro Capital, which we did another video of as well.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're about to go down this alley, and coming down this one, and then we're gonna cross this street with all the black and white tiled. Let's see if we can cross. So this particular street, Senado Square, goes down this way, and then Portuguese Embassy is down this way, and then this is called Beco da Arruda, which is where the Teatro Capital is at. Let me just give you context of it. Up there, there you go. I almost tripped over this little thing right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is check out this little alley. And again, it's like right off of this. Some pretty cool buildings right there too. I like that. And it looks like there's a sign to a little medical, so let's go check it out and see what's in here. So on this side is the theater, the old theater, which is now just a bunch of boutique shops. Stay away from museum and are you still young? Mentally, sure. Physically, I guess so. Kind of a cool little space. Okay. So the cinema, or cinema, which is now something different. It's just all boutique shops and the cinema closed. It was right there. Dumpling Town since 1999. It's kind of cool. Huh. If you want to try some dumplings, this might be an interesting little shop. Let's see. Sports shop. Oh, kind of cool. Okay, looks like there's an apartment stairwell right there and a sports shop with hats and shoes. So let's check out what else is around. Sorry. And we're gonna come right back out again. So this is probably a street that almost never gets filmed, but we're filming it today. Here's the medical shop that we had the arrow to. So I guess they need to let people know when they're going down the main street that it's coming up. And I think straight ahead is a giant hotel, that little big space up there, which looks pretty cool too. Great place to stay. If I was staying in this area, I think I'd want to stay in that space actually. So yeah, that's basically this little alley right here, and then we're gonna walk down a little bit and just put everything into context. So this is this alley, and let's just go down and put everything into context. Then you can get an idea of what's all here. It's kind of sunny and bright right now. Really sunny and bright. So we're gonna follow our... And then down here is the Portuguese bookstore. So there we go. Livraria Portuguesa. It is right there. I think we're actually going to go in as well, so we're going to end it right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.